Hi guys, welcome back in this new episode of Detailing Guru. And in this one I will show you how to pick the most effective pad polish combination for your paint. To pick the most suitable pad polish combination, we will need to do a test spot. But what is a test spot? It's actually on different surface of the car that we will need to find a pad polish combination that will suit your needs and expectations without being overly aggressive. Because we don't need a bazooka to kill a mouse, which brings us back to the fact that you can only remove clear coat once. As you know, we have different panels on the car, different substrates, from bumpers to aluminum bonnets to steel doors to carbon roofs. And we cannot find one solution that will work on all these substrates. It will have a different outcome, so we will have to be very careful to find the right combo. So now we will focus on the bonnet. Before we start any polishing process, our car is properly washed and properly prepped. I would suggest though to get a paint depth gauge to have a rough idea of the situation. For here, we're going to focus on a fair amount of correction with some maximum gloss possible. Let me be clear, we are not seeking for perfection on this car. So in this case, I will take Compound Plus and I will take a medium pad because I want to have a proper finish with a fair amount of cut. So I'm playing with the combinations and I will see what this gives as a result. Okay, as you can see, my pad is properly primed, but when we do a second part, because a big mistake that's often made is they do a test spot, you wipe it off, you check if you're happy with the results. If you're not, they do on the same area another test spot. Afterwards, of course, without any doubt, the combination will be better than the first one because you already did a correction. So to work really correct, you will need to do a test spot, evaluate. If you're not happy, you will have to pass on to a further area and do the same spot with a different combination again. After that you have done your test spot, let the panel cool down, grab a fresh microfiber towel and some GYEON prep, spray in the towel, wipe down the area. And important, get your inspection light and see if you're happy with the result. So in this case, I'm having a very nice result in a one-step process. It allows me to do my next step only based on gloss, and with a two-step process, I will have my desired result. Some golden tip that I can give you while doing a test spot, and not only a test spot but while polishing a car, is keep your pads as clean as possible, because when you're doing a test spot, the clear coat, it goes in here. When you clean them, the cut is better and the finish as well. After inspecting and degreasing, for me this was the ideal combo that I wanted to achieve in a two-step solution. This was actually a heavy cut with a medium cut polishing pad, and afterwards we finished with a soft and a primer. So combination wise, ideal for my expectations. So let's have a look. To achieve these results, there are many variables that come into play. First of all, you need to work clean. Blow out your pads frequently and use more than one pad to polish your whole car. Secondly, a test spot on a bonnet doesn't mean that the combination pad polish will also work on the lower parts of your car. So you will need to do several test spots to be effective. And thirdly, when it comes to polishing, there is one rule: is practice makes perfect. It makes no sense to have 10 polishes on your shelf when you don't master a tool. That's it for me today. I hope you liked this episode. If you have any more comments, write them down below. I'm out. See you soon. Ciao.